Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to create highlights in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on your story. Go to the gallery. Now select a photo which you want to use in your highlights. Tap on your story from the bottom. Photo has been added to your story. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. You can see in the middle story highlights which is empty. To create one, tap on new. Now select the story which you created earlier. Tap on next from the top right corner. You can write here anything as you like. Then tap on done from the top right corner. That's it. Your new highlight is added to your profile. Tap on this. So that is how you can create highlights in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.